Check this out right here. The quality and the shine is stunning. Once again, we are unboxing a Rolex. Check this out.
Yes, yes. I'm a rebel. Came to ball, fresh from the ball. Back to the wall with my hands on my.
With no further ado, we've got the hardwood Pepsi Blue Rolex that we're about to unbox. Boom! Look at this bad boy right here. I'm gonna make you get a closer look of it. You know what I mean? This is one of my favorite Rolexes. This is the Pepsi. Check this out right here. The quality and the shine is stunning. This is 904L stainless steel, so it's not no cheap stuff. Beautiful quality, as you can see on the clasp. This is open, guys. I don't want to open this up in case anybody wants it, but I might keep it as a personal. Check this bad boy out right here. 904 stainless steel. DM me if you are interested, but I think I'm going to keep it for myself. I'm signing out, y'all. Hit the like button. Peace.